demo for Red Bus. I didn't want to do it in a linear way, so I re-scripted the whole thing, wrote the lyrics, decided to do a rap video out of it. And I thought the best guy to do this would be Shreyas Talpade, because the performance he brings to stage is amazing. In an industry full of stars, he's an actor who's a star.
I think this overall experience of shooting this particular ad film, this took me back to my theatre days. First of all, they made me sing a rap song. I was very happy, very surprised, but I wanted to give it a shot. And they seemed to like it, so I'm glad they gave me an opportunity to do this.
जाना था भैया झुमरी तलैया मोबाइल उठाया फ्री ऐप डाउनलोड कराया मिले ऑप्शन ही ऑप्शन भी ना कोई टेंशन बस को चूज किया देख स्टार्स वाली रेटिंग भैया सो सिंपल एज एवरीडे फेस बुकिंग ओह यस
I was told that we are doing an ad film of a minute and we are going to be rehearsing for the same a day before. Pushkar Raj had told me what he had in mind, but when I actually saw the whole thing in front of my eyes, and I felt that here is a team which really thinks out of the box and they want to do something not only creative but at the same time something that will stay with people for a really long time. The rehearsal was worth it because we wanted to shoot this entire thing in one shot, and that was a difficult thing to pull off considering I had to rap the lines, I had to sync them and then travel through the entire thing.
Let me tell you a story of my jackass sawari.
Again, it's really tough getting this entire thing in one take. 25 people on art, loads of people on lighting, sound, sync, people behind the sets moving around, and Shreyas has to match all of that with all the coordination falling in perfectly on time. That will be our one take shot.
Let me tell you a story of my jackass sawari. जाना था भैया झुमरी तलैया मोबाइल उठाया फ्री ऐप डाउनलोड कराया redbus.in बस वही काम आया 67,000 रूट 1800 बस ऑपरेटर मिले ऑप्शन ही ऑप्शन बिना कोई टेंशन बस को चूज किया देख स्टार्स वाली रेटिंग भैया सो सिंपल एज एवरीडे फेस बुकिंग मैंने तो किया जी विंडो सीट सिलेक्ट विद जीरो बुकिंग फीस मैं तो हो गया जी सेट टिकट आ गई सीधे आप उनके मोबाइल पर बोला कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो डायरेक्ट हेल्पलाइन कॉल कर
Hello, this is redbus.in. How may I help you?
अगर ट्रिप करनी पड़ती कैंसिल तो मैं सिर्फ एक टैप करता हो जाती टिकट कैंसिल और रिफंड में मुझको मिलता पूरे सफर हुई बस की रियल टाइम ट्रैकिंग मतलब पिकअप करने को भी कोई करनी नहीं वेटिंग ओह यस redbus.in है ना मजेदार इजी बस टिकटिंग मतलब redbus.in
Finally, when we got the shot, I was extremely happy. They were giving high fives and things like that. A typical theatre feeling that you get, post a fantastic performance which the team pulls off, and somewhere you feel that you got a winner on hand.
Things from there just sort of snapped and worked. We went ahead and actually attempted to shoot all the other films also in one take, and we actually managed it.
I'm glad, not many people really have the guts to pull off something like this. I'm happy and I'm fortunate. I really consider myself honored that I got an opportunity to work with these guys.
So I think this day has been a fabulous day of shoot. Amazing work by the entire art direction team on board, which is Pupa Art and everybody here. Lighting is one thing I'm always a stickler about. I always love layers in my lighting, and that is one thing Rubaiyat and his entire team pulled out very well. We had synchronized the lighting mechanically to time every step all the way, and it worked beautifully for us. This campaign for Red Bus has been a direction dream. Absolutely loved it. Love the team that has worked on this one. Absolutely awesome.